I recently published an Excel tips and tricks video on calculating the number of days left between today and the deadline, but I've received numerous inquiries about excluding weekends and statutory holiday from the calculation of days left. Well, this is how I do it. To exclude the weekend between deadline and today, you're going to have to use a function called NETWORKDAYS, and the first argument will be the deadline itself, comma, today's date, using the today function like this. And it's got 8 days between today and the deadline. And to apply the formula to the rest of the rows, just double click on this handle and you're done. Now, if you want to calculate number of days left but exclude statutory holiday and weekend, you got to have a repository of statutory holiday stored somewhere. As you can see in column F, I do have the repository of all the available statutory holiday here in Canada. So to calculate the number of days left between deadline and today but exclude holiday and statutory holiday, you're going to have to use a function called NETWORKDAYS like this. And the first argument, like before, is going to be the deadline. Second argument will be today, as in today's date. And the third argument will be the statutory holiday itself. Make sure you press F4 to make it an absolute reference like this. And then close parenthesis and hit enter. And to apply to the rest of the rows, just double click on this handle and you're done.